Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is called mailed it. Honestly, there are some castings in our life we will buy it for just for the sake of buying. This is one among those castings actually. The reason I honestly bought this because this is a treasure hunt. I really wanted to showcase this to you guys how this one looks, whether you can buy it or not. That's the only reason. And it will be in my collection. I'm not going to deny that, but I bought it just the sole purpose is just to explain you guys how it looks and is it really worthy of being a treasure hunt. And this one comes in the Let's Race that series which they do for kids. Honestly, that's a kid show. Please do not watch it unless until you are a kid. So because I watched like a episode or two, it's like really irritating, man, and it's like they are replaying the same intro song every 5 to 10 seconds, and it is really frustrating to watch that. I really wanted to watch that show on mute, but even when I try to watch that, the show became really like atrociously stupid, and I turned my TV off. Okay, with that said, let's unbox this. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay, so here it is. So the first impressions of this casting, it does look really nice. You can see the exhaust detailing on the side here. So this paint job is similar to that Cupra Racer's paint job. It is a bit purple, and along with that, glittery bluish shade, kind of a pearlescent purple, I can say. So it does have some detailing, engine detailing here. I'm honestly not sure they could have given this kind of detailing to an actual car instead of giving this shitty fantasy castings. You can see the fenders and everything looks really cool. The engine detailing looks really cool, and the interior looks really cool. Honestly, man, everything looks really cool, but not this car itself. The car looks really stupid. And okay, so the body is fully metal. This is, as this is like a plastic. This is plastic. Chassis is plastic, and there must be yeah, here it is. Here's the treasure and logo. You can see. Okay, I threw that kind of that blister away without showing that logo. Okay, I do save those blisters, but still, I just threw that away right now. I need to take it back after I finish all my videos, and I need to cut it out. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. So it doesn't have any tail light details or headlight details. Headlights are just just embossed, but nothing is painted on there. Okay, let's put weight of this casting. Okay, 35 grams. Okay, 1 gram more than this Cupra Racer and the Chevy. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Honestly, man, this is really pissing me off. This rolls really well. This is actually fast, as you can see. This actually bypassed those two cars, including the one which actually won the actual race in real life. Same place. Okay, 3 out of 3. So far, this casting rolls really well. I really wanted to see some kind of gimmick on these cars, because end of the day, these are like fantasy cars. If they have some kind of gimmick, that would be really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.